Hello, my friends. Welcome to the Leo English channel. I'm Leo Doreen, and today we're talking about the weather. Sun, rain, and snow. Let's learn how to describe the weather in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Section 1. Weather vocabulary. Repeat after me. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's rainy. It's snowy. It's windy. It's hot. It's cold. It's warm. It's cool. It's stormy. Section 2. Ask and answer. Let's practice some questions and answers. How's the weather today? It's sunny. Is it cold? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Do you like rainy days? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Section 3. Talking about seasons. Let's learn the seasons. Spring, summer, autumn or fall, winter. Repeat. I like summer. Winter is cold. In spring, it is warm and rainy. Section 4. Sample paragraph. Let's make a short paragraph. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is. Today the weather is. It is. I like or don't like this weather. My favorite season is. Example. Hi, my name is Sarah. Today the weather is cloudy. It is cool. I like this weather. My favorite season is spring. Now pause and say your own paragraph. Good job! Section 5. Speaking Challenge. Target. Say the weather for today and tomorrow. Example. Today it's sunny and hot. Tomorrow it will be rainy and cool. Now your turn. Section 6. Vocabulary Review. New words from today's lesson. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, windy, hot, cold, warm, cool, stormy. Well done! Now you can talk about the weather in English. Thanks for listening to the Leo English channel. Keep speaking, keep learning, keep smiling. Sun, rain, and snow. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.